Hi, I'm Russ with ESBService.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a new flat acrylic into your ESB tanning bed. This bed here is brand new, and what I did was I took the original acrylic out of it. It's still a little bit curved from being in the bed, but when it went in from factory it was flat. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a brand new flat acrylic from inventory right here, and I'm going to install that in this bed here. So first I'm going to measure and make sure that this is the right dimension. Yeah, this is showing the dimensions that we advertise on the website. This is exact, so this should be just fine here. This has a protective film on both sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the film off of just one side. Okay. Just one side, I remove the film, and then that side is going down. So the only side that has the film on it is this side here facing up. So to make it easier to install, first I'm going to peel the film back just a little bit from this end here. And to prep this bed, what I did is I left this end cap tight up against it, and the opposite end cap over there has been opened up. I loosened the end cap screws and I pulled the end cap back further a little bit away to give me a little bit of working space. So I'm going to take the acrylic and set it up on top of the rails. And it's very important that they're very straight with the rails. You can't start out with it skewed at all. Even just a little bit is going to throw it off. So perfectly straight on the rails. And then what I'm doing is I'm giving myself here at least a couple of inches away from this lip on the end cap to work with. So once I have it set up like this, I'm just going to take it and I'm holding onto the film to help with gripping it. If you remove the film, I guess you would just have to use the palms of your hands. Just don't touch the edges or the corners. Now, this is again why I recommend leaving the film on through this step. I'm going to take it and grip it and just push it down evenly in the center, and then get this corner into the lip of the metal rail on this side and on this side. And then I'm going to prepare the acrylic to be pulled in to the channel in the end cap right here. So as I push it down, I'm making sure it's staying even and straight. I'm pulling it back, getting it set into the channel right here, right here, and that's it. It's seated right in there perfectly. When it's like this, it's going to hold it just like that for you. It's no problem. You see it's still flat on the opposite end, and it's not in the channel yet. So I'm going to come over here and peel the film back a little bit too, so it doesn't get caught underneath the end cap. And again, this helps with handling it. So I have the end cap open here and here enough to allow the acrylic just to go straight down. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to push it straight down. When I do that, it clicks here, and it clicks there. That's as easy as it is, folks. So all you got to do at this point is just close the cap. Just close it up and tighten back the screws. That's all you need to do at that point. I'm going to walk over here, peel this back a little bit, and I'm going to plug this tanning bed in. So now I got the tanning bed plugged in, and I wanted to take this opportunity to show you the quality of our premium acrylics. I'm peeling back the film a little bit, and I'm going to turn the tanning bed on. And I'm going to show you here, this is a UVAB light meter. This will tell you how much UV light is coming. And you see when we have it on the overhead light here, it's nothing. There's light, but there's no UV A and B. Now when I bring this over to the tanning bed and I face it at the lamps, you can see it's measuring appreciable UV output. So that's showing you how premium our acrylics are. Now, to compare that to the cheap stuff that you get at the hardware store, I peel off this film. I'm going to hold it in front of the acrylic here. That's just about zero. So all the UV is filtered out now from this cheap plexiglass. Again, there's the UV with our acrylics. Pretty much nothing coming out of that cheap stuff. So, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it's been helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe.